Business Besties. It's your girl, the Marketing Bully. And today I'm going to teach y'all how to actually make your first $500 online. Yep, go ahead and cheer. Go ahead and clap. I'm so excited about making this video for you guys today. And one of the reasons why is because last week I actually published how to make $1,000 online consistently using Twitter, my most popular video to date. And I gained like over 50 or so new subscribers from that video. So I'm hella excited about this video today. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment down below because I already know that you're going to enjoy the gems that I am dropping here for you today. And just to give you an idea of what to expect from this video today, I'm going to go over about 5 different things that I had to learn when I wanted to start making money online. So my first tip to you is to pick one platform to master. And the reason why is it's significantly easier to grow when you pick one platform and then start using that to grow your email list and then use your email list to transfer your following everywhere else that you want to grow to. And by platforms, I mean social media. So whether it's Twitter, Reddit, Quora, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, any other platform that exists too, make sure that you learn how to master one platform, how to grow your following on one platform, and then use that to grow your email list. It is going to make it significantly easier to start making $500 a month consistently. My second tip for you to help you get to that $500 mark every single month is to figure out how you're going to show up every single day. Whether that is you dropping a blog post every week and then promoting that blog post every day, or it's you partnering up with people and hosting virtual events and free webinars consistently for people to attend. If you start going live once or twice a week on like Mondays and Fridays, helping people start their week with you and end their week with you as well, is a good way to be remembered by your audience. So whatever it is, you have to figure out how you're going to show up every single day to get people used to the idea of you as a business professional. My third tip to you will be to sit down and get clear about what it is that you want to do and what it is specifically that you're selling and the value that it can offer to the people that you're trying to sell it to. Because one thing that happens a lot of the times with new business owners that I meet, they aren't clear enough. They have these very vague goals. They have a very vague understanding of business. They have a very vague outline of what they want to do and who they want to do it for. You need clarity. You need clarity. You got to know without a shadow of a doubt what you're doing, who you're doing it for, why, and what the value is, because you're going to need to know that how to actually sell the product to people online. My fourth tip for you would be to network in circles that you want to be in, and start targeting and engaging with accounts who can put you in those circles. So if you're starting off with 0 followers, I would focus heavily on not only just creating valuable content, but engaging with others who already do, so that they will start to organically share your content, put you in front of their audience, and lift you up to help you get a platform. And it can definitely happen. It can definitely work. My content regularly gets shared by people who are verified, by people who own huge companies, who are well-known public speakers, and so on and so forth. They love my content. They love how helpful and how educational it is, but they also love that I engage with them back. I comment on their stuff. I share their stuff, and we basically do like audience share all the time, but it's very organic because we don't hit each other up and ask to do it. We just genuinely like each other's content. So I highly recommend following and engaging with people who you feel that way about, and hopefully networking with them to the point that they start to feel that way about you too. My last tip to you is to stop being so worried about how good your website looks and how good your branding and all of that stuff looks when you don't know how to make no money. It don't matter how good it look when you don't know how to make no money. When you don't know how to sell it, it don't matter how good it look. And also it's significantly more important how those things function and work together in comparison to how they look, because you can make a lot of different things look good, but that doesn't mean they go together. It doesn't mean they flow together, and it doesn't mean that they make sense in the way that you're trying to position them. So I was just focused on trying to make money, trying to get in front of the right people. And as your business grows and as you make that money, reinvest. My last tip for you, bonus tip to help you make your first $500 online, you got to learn sales. You got to learn sales. You got to learn the basics of sales, and you got to learn copywriting too. So if you don't know anything about sales and you don't know anything about copywriting, start there. It'll make this process and this journey so much easier for you. And just so you know, copywriting is the text that we create to sell products. It is the text that we create to help people envision going from A to Z by buying our products and how we're going to help them crush their goals. So if you don't know how to accurately do this to compel people to buy from you, none of this advice in this video is going to help you. So that really should have been tip number one, but it's going to be my bonus tip: learn copywriting and learn sales. You'll be able to sell on any platform. You'll be able to blog more easily, create email content, come up with and brainstorm content ideas and everything. But you got to learn sales and you got to learn copywriting, even at the most basic level, because you need to know what to look for if you decide to outsource this and hire someone else to do it for you. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, comment down below and let me know. Let me know what you think was the most helpful to you here. And let me know if you want to see more videos that go more in depth into the different tips that I dropped here for you to do today. As always, Business Besties, I hope you crush your goals and have a fantastic week.